Welcome to the WFSU FM Pledge Drive. We're glad that you're here to support public radio, and we thank you for sharing your valuable time with us. This short video will help prepare you to answer member calls with confidence. Please begin by taking a moment to sign in, make a name tag, and sign a confidentiality form. If you would like to review the pledge form portion of the training video again before your shift, we have a training area set up in a studio just around the corner. Otherwise, enter the pledge room straight ahead on your left. During your shift, make yourself comfortable and help yourself to drinks and snacks. We have soft drinks and bottled water in the mini fridge outside of the studio. You'll be working in the radio studio while other volunteers are on air asking for pledges. While in the studio, you're welcome to talk to fellow volunteers and enjoy their company, but please remember, you can be heard over the airwaves when the on-air light is lit, so keep your voices low. You play an important part in our pledge drive, answering calls from our members and recording their pledge using a simple web form. Each volunteer station is equipped with a phone, headset, and a laptop with a mouse. Let's start with the phone. Please wear your headset at all times while you're sitting at your station so you're prepared when the phone rings. Answer the phone with,
"Thank you for calling WFSU. Would you like to make a one-time donation or ongoing monthly payments?"
You do not have to press any of the line buttons when you're ready to answer a call. Simply lift the receiver from the telephone base and set it on the table, and begin talking into your headset's microphone. Make sure that you do not place the receiver right back on the base or you will hang up on the caller. The gray knob controls the headset volume. If you need to place a call on hold, please use the mute button. This will mute your microphone and allow you to ask a question. Once you are finished with the call, make sure to replace the receiver on the phone base. If you do not, you may not hear the phone ringing and we will miss valuable calls. Above all, take your time and relax, be friendly, and remember, there will always be a staff member in the studio to assist you if you have questions.
This portion of the video will walk you through the pledge form itself. Begin your shift by entering your first and last name and clicking the Initiate a Pledge button. This will open the online donation form. Your script is on the form in red. Begin by saying, "Thank you for calling WFSU. Would you like to make a one-time donation or an ongoing monthly pledge?" If the caller wants to know more about an ongoing monthly membership, also known as our sustaining membership, read the About Sustaining Member Program section. Next, ask, "How would you like to pay your pledge?" and choose from one of the options listed. Credit card or debit card sustainer for ongoing monthly payments, EFT sustainer for an ongoing monthly bank draft, an existing sustainer upgrade for current sustainers who would like to increase their monthly gift, Bill Me to be sent a bill, and the final option is a single gift on their credit or debit card. Note, credit card numbers and bank account numbers are entered and processed on a secure site at the end of the pledge form. Next, ask, "How much would you like to donate today?" Select the total monthly amount or enter the one-time gift in the Other field. Qualifying donations will automatically receive the WFSU member card. The caller does not have to request this gift. The WFSU member card is a member benefits discount program that offers 2-for-1 dining and other discounts at area and online retailers. Sustaining members at $10 plus per month receive a personalized member card with added benefits. In the next section, only select a thank you gift if one is requested by the caller. You do not need to ask if they would like one. Our on-air hosts are encouraging callers to ask about thank you gifts if they're interested. Please select one thank you gift per donation. However, members can get both a member card and thank you gift. The member card is automatically sent, and you do not have to select it from the menu. If the caller is interested in a thank you gift, use the drop-down menu to select the appropriate item. Please note, some items must be paid for with one-time credit card donation. Items such as event tickets and items marked with an asterisk are not eligible for ongoing monthly payments. If necessary, you may change the method of payment to match the associated thank you gift. Please also let the caller know that thank you gifts are shipped within 4 to 6 weeks of the first pledge payment. Next, ask, may I have your first and last name? Type the first and last name into the field, then ask, have you donated to WFSU before? If yes, click the Search Name button to look up their account. This will open a pop-up window with a selection of matching names. Find the appropriate name and ask if they are at the address listed. For example, are you at 1234 Test Street? This will help confirm that we attach their pledge to the correct account and helps us confirm the current address of the caller. If you do not find a matching account, first confirm the spelling of the first and last name. If the name is typed correctly, you can also search by phone number or address. Once you find the correct account, click the Select Record button to populate the online form. If you still cannot find the account or the caller has not donated, get the donor's address, telephone number, and email address. All of the fields noted with a green diamond are required. If the caller does not wish to provide their telephone number, first assure them that we will only call if there is a question concerning their pledge or method of payment. If they are concerned about telemarketing, simply put "Do not telemarket" in the comment section at the bottom of the form. If they still don't want to give you their telephone number, simply type a series of 5s in that field. Email addresses are encouraged but not required. We do not sell donor information. Email is used for account correspondence and e-newsletters only. If we have their email address, you may then ask the caller, can we email your tax receipt? If the phones are not too busy, you may ask the next series of questions, beginning with, if time permits, may we thank you on air? If they do not want to be thanked on air, check the no, do not thank me on air box. If they do not mind being thanked, no additional action is required. Next, you may ask, what inspired your call? There's a character limit, so keep comments brief. Then ask, did you hear fundraising on 88.9 News or 91.5 Classical? Again, if the phones are busy, you can skip these questions. Finally, tell the caller, before I process your pledge, let me verify your information for accuracy. Make sure you verify the pledge amount, thank you gift, if any, and method of payment. This is your last chance to make changes to the pledge. You cannot change or add anything to the pledge once you click continue. After clicking continue, you will be redirected to a secure credit card processing page. Enter the caller's credit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. If you see a red circle with an exclamation point next to the number, check the card number with the caller. Before clicking the Submit button, confirm the amount being charged on the credit card. It cannot be undone after clicking Submit. If the card does not go through, you'll be redirected to a WFSU webpage where you can either click Try Another Credit Card or check the Please Change Method of Payment to Cash and click the Process as Cash Transaction button. The caller can also donate through EFT, which stands for Electronic Fund Transfer, also known as bank draft. Note that you need to enter the 9-digit routing number first, then the account number. Once you see the thank you for your pledge page, the donation is complete. If an email address was provided, the donor will get a confirmation within 10 minutes. They will also get a separate pledge acknowledgement by either post mail or email. Click the Next Pledge button at the bottom of the screen to go to a new pledge form. If the caller asks about a thank you gift or needs to make a change once the pledge is complete, please click the link on the confirmation page. Enter your first and last name, then type the caller's full name and request in this final comment section, and we will adjust their record. Once your shift is finished, please click Change User to log off. Thank you for supporting WFSU. We look forward to another successful pledge drive with your help.